So, nail affair by Shaniyah is here. Today we're going to basically do like a nail set. We're going to go along with the color pink, and here is the application right now. So now I'm actually looking for the correct nail set to go on my nails as well. Looking for the best nail to go on my nail. It is very hard because my fingernails, they're very small. So like all of these nails, I basically have to adjust it except from the thumb. As well. So here, still finding it, still going through. Still trying to find it, right? So yeah guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and drop your opinion down below in how I'm going to do the nails and rate the nails as well. But this is going to be like part 1 of 2 because the video and the processing was so long. I have to break it up as well. So yeah, so now we're basically starting off with the application. On the process and so forth. So remember that in the first video, right, my first video, I told you guys that I'm going to basically tell you 2 things about me. So number 1, I am very slim. I'm a slim lady, slim old country gal as well. So yeah, I basically find all the equipments, all the nails, right? And here I didn't find anything wrong with my finger, like any dead skin that I should remove. So I basically just go ahead and move on to step 2 in order to basically remove the shiny particles off my fingernails so that the nails can actually stick good, right? So here I'm just doing that stuff and doing for it. What do you guys like more? Do you guys like the city life more, or do you guys like the country life more? Well, actually I prefer the country life more because it is very like soft, very calm. It is not noisy, I should say, but with the city life, it is very fast. Don't really like it. I'm a country girl. But tell me which one do you guys prefer, the city life or the country life? But even though I basically prefer the country life more, I would want to basically try out the city life. Yeah, I want to try out the city life as well. So yeah, I'm here. I'm not gonna talk too much on what I'm doing because you guys can see it, but just to keep you guys entertained, right, I'm done putting on the nails on my thumb, right? And remember in the first video I told you guys that I am starting off with acrylic first before I move on to anything else. Before I move on to anything else, I am starting with acrylic first. I want to master acrylic. So these are like half nails, not a full nail, not full fake nails. Yeah, so I'm just putting on it with the glue. Well, this glue, I would say it is very weak because it is not like it is going to keep me for like 2 weeks. Like the next day it is gonna fall off. The glue is not strong. But because I'm basically starting off as a beginner, I buy these beginners nail equipment as well. So yeah, don't really like the glue, but I am working with it. So yeah, and you guys gonna tell me how you guys gonna rate the way in which I basically put on the nails. From the looks of it, it is not really lean, to be honest, and it's not bad. So I would give it like when we're done with this nail, I'm gonna tell you the way in which I put it on, the application. Yeah, I like that. I really do hope that I basically become successful in this nail as a nail technician, because I'm telling you guys, it is hard. It is really hard. I'm telling you, it's hard. It's hard, very hard. Me at the sitting, you know. It's very hard. Yep. Still putting on the nails. And because the fake nail was still small, what I am doing is that I am shaping down the bottom part of it for it to fit down on my fingernails. Yeah. For it to fit down on my fingernails. Yeah. Like, I really don't like most of these equipments that I'm using. I really don't know the exact name for it. So I call that little long thing there that I'm using to shape down the nails a shaper. I don't remember the name of it. So excuse my newness of this nail technician. Like it. Oh yeah, and now the second thing about me is that I love God. I love God. Remember to put God first in everything that you do. It's hard, but yeah. Yeah, I'm still shaping. I'm not gonna talk in everything, so please guys, I'm not gonna talk in every section of the nail telling you guys what I'm doing, because you're basically seeing it, right? You're seeing it. You're seeing it. But yeah, remember guys to comment down below what type of life do you like, the city life or the country life? City life or country life, which one? And remember to basically drop your opinion down below on how my application process went. Was it good? Was it bad? Did I try? Did I not? Comment it from 1 to 10. I am gonna rate it once the video is ending, at the last part of the video. Okay. So now this is where I'm trying to basically let the glue stick. So I'm pressing it down in order for the glue to stick. Don't like that glue, but yeah, it's good. It's alright. It's okay. Yep. Stick it down. We never do bad, guys. We never do bad. Yeah. Alright, and also what I want to talk about as well while you guys are watching this nail process, guys, I'm seeing here where people, generally Jamaicans, are basically prioritizing standard English so much that they're looking down on their patois, that they don't remember their patois. It's like they forgot that patois is basically the strong root of our Jamaican culture. Yeah, like the French speak their language with pride, the Spanish speak their language with pride, right? But when I'm speaking my patois, them I can say, but she chat body, how me fi chat bad? Isn't that a part of my language? Aren't me the Jamaican? I am Jamaican. How can patois be bad and it is a language? When the Spanish is speaking their language, them now say, oh, Spanish chat bad. No, The Spanish speak their language with pride. So how comes like when even a baby or somebody is speaking patois, they must say no, don't make the chat so bad. Let's just speak standard English. It's just like we get so brainwashed. That we basically forgot that patois is our root. It's part of our root in the culture, in Jamaican culture. Right? So I don't like that. I don't like it. You guys should not basically prioritize something so much that you forgot that patois is something as well. Right? Like, look, see how I can actually change up my language and then we go straight to patois. Right? At least teach them that. Don't let them forget patois. Patois is a strong foundation. Just imagine if Jamaicans only speak standard English. Patois is the language that basically bound us together. Our patois is so unique. It is so unique, and we should speak it with pride. It is not like I'm saying that we guys should not prioritize standard English. Yes, you should, because at times in life there's actually a time and place for everything. But just remember, while you guys are basically prioritizing standard English, right, and learning it, please do not look down on patois and say that it is a bad language. It is not. That's our culture. That's our root, firm foundation. Language bring people together, and let me tell you something. Patois bring people together, especially Jamaican people. They love our patois. Like you guys are so brainwashed. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Like if you speak patois, you chat bad, or you look down pain like you don't like. The hell, it's our language. Speak it with pride. Speak it with pride. It is not something bad, because I'm speaking patois now, and let me tell you something. I'm a very educated individual. I'm telling you that. I'm very educated. I'm just trying to learn nail, so as like a side hustle or like a side skill, because I want a skill. But let me tell you something. I know my book. So when me chat my patois, it's like me try to tell you something. If you remember on a culture. Remember on a culture. No, if you switch it up, but you know, stop looking over patois so much and looking down on it. No, sir. Yeah, I love patois. Standard English. You guys make it look like one bad thing. You know, it's not a bad thing. It is not. Let me tell you something. It's not a bad thing, and that's why drop your comments down below and tell me what you guys think about this. I'm gonna still talk about it in my part 2 video, but let us start it from here, part 1. Tell me what you guys think about this patois and standard English, and how Jamaicans basically, not most Jamaicans, but some Jamaicans, they look down on it. When you're speaking your patois, seems as if you should only speak standard English only. Why? No, that's not nice. That is really not nice. That I don't like that. When me I trap my patois, bad enough you complain. But yeah. So this is where we reach in the video. Alright, I'm showing you guys the acrylic products. I don't like this product. It is very sticky. You guys gonna see the product, like the end result in part 2, but it is very sticky. I don't like it. I hate it. I hate it. No offense, but I hate it. I don't like it. Yeah, but yeah, I'm grateful for it though, even though my money buy. Really didn't know, so I just buy something. So remember to drop your comments down below and tell me what you guys think. about Patois and standard English. And yeah, and just drop your opinion, man, and tell me what you guys think about my opinion, what I'm saying. Here if I'm talking the truth, but I know I'm talking the truth because I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. And guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe as well. Yeah. Bye. That's all.